Welcome. Today we will be discussing integrating technology into classroom instruction. Technology is an essential part of our world today. We see technology in all aspects of life, and it should be no different in the world of education. Most would agree it is of utmost importance to integrate technology into instruction, but the process can be challenging for educators. Today, we will be looking at the biggest obstacles that educators face, but despite those obstacles, we will see how beneficial technology is for our students. We will begin by addressing obstacles educators face when implementing technology into classroom instruction. The first obstacle is poor infrastructure. Many rural districts do not have the internet capabilities to properly service their students, and often teachers become frustrated when they have planned technology-based lessons but are unable to carry those lessons out due to the poor infrastructure. Inadequate technology is another barrier for teachers. There often isn't enough devices and resources for all students, leaving students no choice but to share devices. Many systems are working to implement a one-to-one movement, which would allow one device for every one student. The third obstacle to integrating technology is a lack of professional development. Educators feel that there is plenty of professional development available in the area of technology, but that professional development doesn't link the technology to the content area being taught. Finally, our final obstacle educators face is low student self-efficiency. This is especially true in the elementary setting. Oftentimes, we see teachers spending more time teaching the use of the technology before actually getting to the teaching of the content. However, despite these obstacles, research states that students benefit greatly from effective technology integration. One benefit of integrating technology into education is student-centered instruction. Through the use of technology, students have more options and choices in their learning, which encourages students to take ownership of their learning. Individualized instruction is another benefit of a technology-rich classroom. When utilizing technology, teachers can plan lessons and activities that accommodate individual needs of students rather than the large whole group lessons. A third benefit is increased student engagement. Technology allows students to work at their own pace and work on assignments that foster student engagement. And when students are engaged in learning, they tend to work harder and learn more efficiently, which leads us to the last benefit. The last benefit is an increase in student achievement. Increased student learning is the greatest benefit of technology integration in the classroom. It is the goal of all educators to have students learn more. Research has concluded that when students are engaged in technology-immersed classrooms, there is a gain in achievement in all subject areas. Therefore, it's important for us to remember as educators that it is beneficial for students to be assigned technology-based assignments in all subject areas. So what do students gain when being taught in a technology-rich environment? First, students gain problem-solving skills. When students work at their own pace and on their own activities and assignments, they become less reliant on their peers and teachers. Students also gain creativity. Technology gives students the opportunities to be creative with projects and experiences. Next, students gain reasoning skills. Students are more likely to think through problems and find their own solutions when they're working with technology rather than merely rote memorization and procedures. Next, students can gain decision-making skills with technology. Students are to make decisions and try new ways of thinking without fear of being incorrect. And students can also gain personal responsibility in their learning. Technology encourages students to take pride in their work and always do their best. Technology helps build confident thinkers and problem solvers. these skills help students to think critically and creatively in order to better prepare them for real-world experiences. While there are obvious obstacles for integrating technology into classroom instruction, we must work to overcome those challenges because the benefits vastly outweigh the obstacles. We must do what's best for our students and prepare them for real-life experience through the use of technology. Thank you.